All great visions, discoveries and inventions start on a piece of paper. Being a professional from paper industry, Chairman V. Krishnan wanted to offer products to customers with some value addition to it. That made us start Vital Paper Products, which allows us to serve our valued customers with customizations in exercise notebooks and corrugated boxes. With this effort, we not only can innovate our products, but also it is an opportunity for us to give back something in return to our motherland, with the vision to grow as a competent and preferred partner through excellence in manufacturing. Vital Paper Products Private Limited stands out as one of the leading OEMs from the paper industry in the country. With the mission of stakeholder delight and social responsibility, Vital Paper Products Private Limited offers custom manufacturing services of products based on clientele that spans across the globe. Vital Stationery is strategically located in Sri City Special Economic Zone and surrounded by renowned companies. Vital Stationery has been the preferred choice by customers for duty-free and hassle-free exports. Vital Stationery has a strong workforce of 250 employees. Our experienced professionals have a cumulative experience of 100 years in the paper industry with a blend of the latest state-of-the-art technology. Experienced personnel. Our annual production rate is at 10,000 metric ton. We have two fully automatic exercise notebook machines, Nova and Bolt, which can produce finest staple notebooks and drawing books. Our advanced printing machinery from Germany, Heidelberg Speedmaster, can produce 5 color prints across various sheets. With a blend of the latest state-of-the-art technology, experienced personnel, our complete end-to-end machinery is used to create the best value-driven notebooks. With this installed capacity, we manufacture over 6 million books every month. Our warehouse capacity is at 35,000 square feet. This allows us to not only store raw materials but also to effectively plan well in reducing lead time for quick requirements. We serve our valued customers with customizations and assist in R&D to develop new products. At Vital, quality is taken as the utmost priority. With an experienced team that takes care of product quality, we follow a standard checklist at every stage of the process. Our QC team ensures that a product has to pass inspection both during and after production. We check paper GSM, ruling impression, book specifications like length, width, shrink packing, carton box packing. Vital Stationery enables our customers with the finest quality of paper, using which they create products that can change the world. With proximity to the Chennai seaport, we have a huge advantage in costs and logistics. We work with the best corporate forwarder companies from the industry and cater to clients of all sizes and market segments. For our commitment and endeavor, we were certified as Forest Stewardship Council Suppliers Certification, which shows our consciousness towards the environment. We are also a registered member of the Federation of India Exports Organization, FIEO. At Vital Stationery, we make sure that all our employees are up to date with the latest trends and practices. We provide training to improve their industrial, personal, technical and soft skills.
We found packaging is a growing industry and we want to be part of the growth of the industry, and we have invested in packaging, and we are supplying to a lot of MNC companies, mobile phone companies, e-commerce companies and heavy equipment.
It is time to go beyond stationery and become part of a growing market. This led to the birth of Vital Packaging. Today, we are two fully functional units, Vital Stationery and Vital Packaging. Packaging plays utmost importance when it comes to protection, presentation and handling of any product. Vital Packaging is located in the domestic Tariff Zone, Sri City. We use state-of-the-art machinery and cutting-edge technology for our production. For example, our BHS Eco Line machinery is a fully automated plant with an installed capacity of 3,000 metric tons per month. In addition to our 2-color flexo machine, we are equipped with the latest 4-color flexo machine with rotary die cut and slaughter, using which we can print complex designs. We are housed with a technologically advanced and highly efficient viscosity-controlled glue kitchen. Using these advanced machinery, we consistently meet and exceed our customer needs and expectations. Our corrugated flute boxes are used to create best-in-class packaging solutions and products. In packaging, quality is key. We consistently meet and exceed our customer needs and expectations with best-in-class solutions, products and services. In our company, without approval from the quality team, we do not deliver any goods to our customers. We perform various quality tests like GSM, moisture, RCT, BCT, ECT, bursting strength, drop test, cob, thickness measurement as per TAPPI standard to enhance productivity and workmanship. With a strong workforce of 250 members, Vital Packaging has become an emerging market leader in under 3 years. To better serve our valued customers, Vital Packaging is placed in a strategic location that has connectivity through road, rail and sea to cater services across India. For commitment and quality, we are accredited with ISO 9001-2015 certification by TUV-SUD, recognized as FSC certified suppliers, BHS appreciation. We deeply care for the environment and reuse all our inks and dyes using effluent treatment plant. Today, Vital is a competent and preferred partner through excellence in manufacturing, CSR activities. Every year, at the beginning of schools, we donate books to underprivileged children. We organize team outings on occasions like May Day. Vital is a family. We celebrate every employee's birthday. Celebrate Women's Day with female workers in our factory. Festival celebrations and organize regular medical camps.
Vital Solutions operates in the paper industry supply chain. Started in the year 1999 by a team of professionals from the paper industry, Vital Solutions Pte. Limited has grown from strength to strength over the years. We pride ourselves of being a high-quality product manufacturer, customer-oriented and environmentally friendly operation. We invite all our partners to work with us to build a better future. Vital stands for right quality, excellent service, and passionate employees and outstanding suppliers and customers.
Vital Paper Products is the one-stop solution.